In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the timeline view in Notion. If you're just starting with Notion, you'll find that its flexibility and versatility are some of its strongest features. Today, we'll specifically focus on customizing the timeline view, which is a powerful tool for visualizing projects, deadlines, or any other date-driven plans. So let's dive right in and explore how you can tailor this tool to better suit your needs. First things first, you'll want to open up your timeline. If you haven't already set up a timeline in Notion, you can create one by adding a database to your page and selecting Timeline as the view option. Once you're there, you'll see a graphical representation of your project spread across a timeline, which immediately lends a clear visual of your schedule and deadlines. This view is beneficial for tracking project progress or planning your workload in a way that's easy to digest at a glance. Next, let's focus on adjusting filters and properties. Filters allow you to control which items are displayed on your timeline, so you only see what's currently relevant to you. You might want to filter tasks by a specific date range, by task status, or by any other property. Adjusting these filters can make your timeline far less cluttered and much more readable. Properties, on the other hand, let you choose which information is visible within each timeline entry. Properties can include details like deadlines, task owners, or labels. Tweaking these can give you a more customized view of each task right there on your timeline. Then, to enhance organization further, you can change grouping by status, owner, or category. Grouping your timeline items helps organize your tasks even better, allowing you to categorize projects by logical segments that make the most sense to your workflow. For instance, if you have multiple teams or team members responsible for different tasks, grouping by owner can provide an at-a-glance view of who's working on what. Similarly, grouping by task status can quickly show you how many projects are in progress, completed, or yet to begin, which can be crucial for resource allocation and time management. Finally, resizing timeline items is a fantastic way to ensure clarity. Depending on how detailed your entries are, you might find that some timeline items occupy more space than necessary, while others cramp together, making it difficult to read the details. Notion allows you to click and drag to resize these items. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in maintaining a clear and cohesive overview of your timeline. So feel free to experiment until you find the sizing that works best for visual clarity. And there you have it. A quick guide to customizing your timeline view in Notion. By mastering these simple steps, you'll have turned the timeline view into a powerful ally in managing and visualizing tasks. So take these tips, jump into Notion, and start tailoring your timeline to match your needs perfectly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.